Spreadsheets everywhere. F1 teams use them to manage million-dollar race cars. NASA uses them. Your local coffee shop uses them. Let's go. 1800 BC, Babylonians, clay tablets, rows and columns. The OG spreadsheet, they're tracking beer and grain. Classic. Fast forward 1969, Lamper. First electronic spreadsheet, room-sized computers. Cost more than houses, we're getting somewhere. 1979, Dan Bricklin. Watching a professor erase a whole blackboard. One mistake, entire calculation gone. He thinks computer could fix this. VisiCalc of people buy entire computers just for this one program. First killer app, boom. Spreadsheet wars begin, Lotus
1, 2, 3
dominates.
Then Microsoft enters.
Excel crushes everyone, game over by 1995. Now spreadsheets run everything, Wall Street trade, scientific research, F1 pitch strategies, your grocery budget, all spreadsheets. They're dumb. You tell them everything cell by cell, formula by formula. One error destroys everything. Google Sheets in 2006, cloud-based, multiple people. Same spreadsheet. Still dumb though. Still manual. What if spreadsheets could think? What if they understood you? What if they did the work?
Sourcetable, world's first AI spreadsheet.
Talk to it like a human.
It gets it.
No more cryptic formulas at 2 a.m.
2 a.m.
Connects to anything.
Any API.
Any database, Stripe, Salesforce, that random thing your dev built.
All of it.
It codes software for you and talks to your data. Queries a billion rows, doesn't even blink. Your laptop stays cool.
Existential crisis.
Execute Robin Hood trades while you eat lunch.
Your spreadsheet
is literally day trading. Wild. From Babylonian beer counts to AI stock traders, 4,000 years of spreadsheet evolution. Visit Sourcetable.com and stop babysitting Sal.